Crypto, crypto, and crypto. Everywhere you go, you hear about crypto. The hype behind cryptocurrencies made way for a bunch of amazing crypto coins that are worth way more than your most expensive item. People go through all sorts of hardships just to acquire one coin. Just one. Coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Maker, and whatnot are worth big sums, all the way from $3,000 to sometimes even $45,000. Now, from the title, you must have an idea that we're going to talk about Ethereum. At the moment, Ethereum is worth $3,042, and that too only for one Ethereum. Mining Ethereum is really tough, and it seems that there are no ways to acquire even one Ethereum. But don't worry, why do we at Money Capital exist? Well, we will show you an amazing method that will help you get $2,500 easily from Ethereum as a passive income. If you want to know more about the method, make sure you watch this video till the end and watch it carefully, making sure to pay attention at every step. Any mistakes in the process will result in you losing your time and effort and gaining nothing. The money is there, we just need to collect it properly. So, without waiting, let's get started with the process. Also, please be sure to like the video. It really helps us to let you know about more ways of earning money. Now, the places that I'm about to show you are where you can make some good Ethereum. Don't worry, they are all available all around the world, no matter where you are, and are fully legal. You won't have to get into any trouble unless, of course, crypto is illegal in your country. Now, for the first step, what I want you to do is to head over to your browser and search for bounty0x.io. Bounty0x is a tool for locating and hunting cryptocurrency bounties. Complete basic marketing, software development, and creative jobs to earn cryptocurrencies and tokens. Here's the thing though, if you want $2,500, you do need to have some skills in order to get that big sum. We will talk about this more later in the future, so make sure that you don't skip out on our future videos. As you can see, they have so far given out $5.3 million to their users, which is a pretty remarkable thing to accomplish, I must say. I discovered this review online, and it has a 4.2 star rating, which is an excellent rating for a website like this that genuinely works in a way that you have certain boundaries and you collect those to do them and you get yourself some cryptocurrencies. As you can see, Ethereum is right here, which is exactly what we want. Now, to get these Ethereum over here are some content development, digital marketing, and graphic design jobs that you can perform if you have some of these abilities. But in the case that you don't, you can still do these surveys over here. This is free, easy, and payable, but the main thing is that you go to the bottom of the website and click on sign in. And now, check this one out. There are 3 categories to choose from. There is a hunter, a host, and a sheriff. Make sure you choose the hunter, guys, because these sheriffs pay money to hunters to hunt bounties, and we're going to be just that. So, make sure to click on sign up over here and sign up as a hunter, enter your name, email, username, and whatever other details that they may need, and then click on sign up. Now keep in mind, guys, we need a wallet for this, and this atomic wallet is good for Ethereum, so I would highly recommend that, but that isn't to say that you necessarily have to use this one. I just simply suggest Atomic Wallet since it has 11,000 reviews on Trustpilot and has a 4.2 star rating, and 67% of the people said it was excellent, so that is my personal choice for now. Also, it is trusted by 3 million users worldwide, so you can tell that it is pretty popular, but alternatively, you can also connect to Ethereum.org. This is a website where you can get some information and some knowledge and maybe a wallet as well. So, if you click on User Ethereum over here and then Use Ethereum Wallet, you'll be sent to this robot over here who has a barrel inside of him and will assist you in retrieving your wallet. By the way, did you know that robots originated in the old world? If you click here, you will notice that they first emerged in ancient Greece, which is pretty intriguing. You can get even more information on Wikipedia, but anyways, let's get back to the topic on hand. It really doesn't matter which option you choose, since you just need to have Ethereum wallet because that's where those cryptos are gonna go. Once you have that, you come back on bounty0x.io, and as you can see, you have different categories over here. So, there's Telegram, there's YouTube, there's Telegram referrals, Reddit as well. So there are a lot of options that you can choose from and get yourself some of that cryptocurrency. It's quite simple to perform and a lot of fun as well, since the concept of bounty hunting is very intriguing, and as you can tell, as soon as you hit one of these bounties, you'll get this message saying that your profile is missing a number of required fields and address. This is because you haven't yet linked your Ethereum address with your account, and for that, there are two options that you can perform. Click on Update Profile and then enter your Ethereum address, or you may create an account on Coinbase, which is what I personally do, and then click on this Send Receive button. Click on Receive, and then on Asset, click on Ethereum. Ethereum can be found here. So just enter in ETH, click on Ethereum, and this is your Ethereum address. It appears to be a random string of numbers, but that really is all there is to it. Take a copy of that and paste it into your clipboard. Return to Bounty0x by clicking here, and then choose Ethereum and enter your address below. And that's about it, people. Now, all you have to do is click on one of these, say Other over here, and you'll see that there's a Wano TikTok reward. Click on that, and you'll be redirected to this information over here. You have to read the summary and the rules, and that's it. All you have to do now is publish the TikTok and include these hashtags. That's about it, guys. You can now submit a link to your TikTok post below, and you'll get some Ethereum. So, all you have to do now is to go pursue these bounties like these people. Pretty easy, right? Continuing this process every single day will result in you having more and more money every day. Opportunities like these do come once in a lifetime. Imagine just how much money you will be making if you continue this every day. Since we have taught you how to earn money online, our duty ends here. But if you want to know about more ways on how to make money online, consider having a look at our channel and check out our previous videos. We upload videos about being rich daily, and just like every other time, consider subscribing to our channel. You know, it's free. Thanks for watching it till the end.